And here we are at Asia Blooms Hotel in the province of Laguna. Santa Cruz is the city, close to Pangasinan. The price of this room is 2,000 pesos per room. In Asia Blooms Hotel, you get 2 small waters, toiletries, toilet paper, a desk, trash can, a swan on the bed. Let's check it out. Yeah, pretty sturdy. We have closet space, a desk and 3 chairs, TV at a strange location, AC that's doing the job. There's nothing in the closets, and we have a bathroom with hot shower. Big deal. And yeah, I checked the pressure before of the bomb gun. It's not what you would like, but I guess it will do the job as well. So the pressure not that good, but there is a shower head, and as I said, hot shower, which is pretty good. Plus you have a table if you need some work done. However, I don't know how someone could watch TV there, but okay. I guess very basic room. They could have put the TV there, or at least there. But okay, no fridge here. The hotel is located next to the main highway towards Pangasinan city, which is about 10 minutes drive away. So yeah, this is the hotel room for 2,000 pesos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to press like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, I must say that the breakfast is also included in this price of 2,000 pesos. And what we get for breakfast, I'll show you tomorrow. Take care, guys.
And yeah, guys, the time has come to get some breakfast downstairs. But I see we also have like a restaurant menu here that you can order in room. So let's just quickly get through it. Let's go. So there you go, the Wi-Fi password and Asia Blooms restaurant. So what you can get is espresso coffees, about 120 pesos to 140 pesos. Then iced coffees. Then we have beef for around 400 pesos. Cold drinks, about 100 pesos. Hot drinks, tea. Then pork. A pretty decent price. We have rice there, long coffee, matcha, beer, 100 pesos, pasta, 200 pesos, sandwiches, about 100 pesos, and there's more, guys. Look, the back thingy. Snacks, desserts, appetizers, and so on. And the brekkie.
So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.